I had ChatGPT made me a text to speech app, but the first version didn't quite work very much because they wanted me to use Google. I didn't want to use that. I don't pay for it. So instead, I'm using. This did not work either because I had to mention that it's not for a Mac. It's like, oh, we thought you had a Mac, and I got this funny error, and I typed it into ChatGPT so it debugged it for me. So back then when I started coding, this shit would take me hours to figure out the debug. But now I can just put in the error message and ChatGPT will spit out what my error is. So no more debugging for me. And I keep on back and blah, back and forth, back and forth. I was like, I gave up. I was like, it didn't work. And then I updated my node. I was like, I had this for a while. And now we put Windows on there. This script worked. Gave me all this junk. So you have to enter the correct amount of code in there to make it work. So this is the code right here. And basically, I had ChatGPT write me a rap song about PS5 over girls because it's funny. That stupid Disney chick and what's his name? The Chinese guy, not me, who did the rap. But I'm not gonna rap. I'm having the computer rap. So I'm gonna have Node do it. So Node does that generate pretty quick. Some computers pretty fast. Successfully. Hold on. Let me delete it. I need these two inputs. So, like so. There, it's converted, and then, well, the console logged. I deleted it, and it's right here. I produced it right here, and it'll wrap for you.
I'm playing PS5 all day, got no time for these girls. They just tryna distract me from my virtual world. My controller's in my hand, my eyes glued to the screen. Gotta level up, gotta be the best, know what I mean? I'm like Eminem with the rhymes, but my beats are fresh and new. I got my PS5, and that's all I need to do. I'm spittin' fire on the mic, like I'm playing Call of Duty. These girls don't understand, gaming's my passion, it's my duty. PS5 over girls, that's the way it's gonna be. I'll take my console over any chick, you see. I'll never leave my PS5, it's my ride or die. Gaming's my life, it's the reason I'm alive.
Okay, enough of this. So, this was my project that I was working on for fun. So I can see like if I can make a simple app with ChatGPT, and yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can do a lot with it. So, but you have to know the basics of like how to like code, install the things. Yeah, it helps a lot. You can actually build like any app with this thing if you like punch it in back and forth a lot. I don't know how complex of a code you can make. I don't think you can make $1 million app, but you can make simple little apps that solve simple little problems, but not like a giant Twitter or like a Facebook. Well, you can, but like you're not gonna really get like 100K users. You can get like you can like make a 10K scaling app. Well, it's not more than that. You also gotta spin servers, and I think ChatGPT can teach you, but you just follow a Udemy course, and after that, jump back in here, and then troubleshoot, punch in your code, and see if things work or not. But yeah, this thing is pretty amazing, and the code works. So it was not working before because Node is just trash. Python it works. Like the Python codes like work here so easily. So yeah, if you're wondering if ChatGPT can take your jobs away, yes it can. Because literally you just like go back and forth, back and forth. It's pretty amazing what it can do. It can write songs, it can code, it can do almost everything. It could be a freaking doctor. You punch in your labs in there, put your symptoms in, and then like, oh, we think you have this. So yeah, it's like pretty crazy. Alright, thanks for watching.